President of Chicago's Fraternal Order of Police says over 1,000 officers are using a controversial gun that could accidentally discharge.
John Catanzara says the weapon should be pulled off the streets. WGN's Jenna Barnes reports from FOP headquarters.
Well, lawsuits across the country allege this gun can accidentally discharge, especially when it's holstered, leading to some pretty serious injuries. The police union president says there are now liability issues here because the gun is still in use in Chicago, even though he says CPD recently took steps to ban it.
Guns like this being pulled for safety concerns is extremely, extremely rare.
Fraternal Order of Police Lodge 7 President John Catanzara has a warning for the estimated 1,200 Chicago police officers who use the Sig Sauer P320.
I believe all our members carrying this gun should ask for administrative duty, effective immediately. Take me off the street.
The gun is popular with local and federal law enforcement and personal gun owners too. But in the past few years, it's become the focus of dozens of complaints nationwide over claims it can accidentally fire.
Explain to me how a gun goes off getting out of the car.
In 2023, our partners at News Nation obtained these videos of the gun allegedly doing just that. Last year, juries sided with gun owners in Pennsylvania and Georgia in their lawsuits against the manufacturer.
It's not just, if I'm on the street, does it actually go off and hurt me, hurt my partner, hurt a citizen? What about my kid at home when I'm actually getting ready to go to work? It's just so many concerns.
Catanzara says CPD's Arsenal Committee voted weeks ago to ban the gun, but it's still in use. He wrote this letter to Superintendent Larry Snelling Friday, asking him to cover the costs of the switch for each officer using the weapon, about 10% of the force.
You are personally and morally going to be subjecting yourself to some major trauma should you have one of these incidental misfires, because the department was too lazy or too cheap to solve it faster.
Sig Sauer denies the gun has a safety problem, saying in a statement last month the P320 cannot, under any circumstances, discharge without a trigger pull. That is a fact. The allegations against the P320 are nothing more than individuals seeking to profit or avoid personal responsibility. Milwaukee's police department has already stopped using it. Catanzara says Chicago would be the biggest department to follow suit.
Once we pull them, I think it'll end up being a kind of a snowball down the hill. Everybody's going to have to ban it nationwide.
And we did reach out to both CPD and the mayor's office asking about Catanzara's concerns. We did not receive a response. On the west side, Jenna Barnes, WGN News.